Francisco de Castro!
Who bringing the noise? Go baby, we bringing our toys.
This is SK Night 2024.
Gang, gang, we don't die out. Want it like this, ain't no timeouts. Tell me who really gon' find out. Rowdy, we get rowdy, 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 we get rowdy, rowdy.
Hard body, and not scaring nobody. You make me resort to wild, and you must be
congratulations po ulit sa mga
need to be this way, but y'all won't need to try this. So
syempre
it's
yung
no way
mga
around it.
dancers
You
talaga
the
na galing
loudest
pa sa
one,
iba't
it's
ibang lugar.
Rowdy, we get rowdy, 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 we get rowdy.
Woo! It's go, 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 go time. Woo! It's go, 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 go time.
Tick, tick, boom.
Nais ko pong iparating ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo, lalo na sa mga kabataan at sa mga youth leaders and volunteers ng ating barangay na patuloy na nagsusulong ng makabuluhang proyekto. Ngunit hindi ito magagawa kung wala ang suporta at dedikasyon ng bawat isa sa inyo.
I hope you never have to leave. We're all friends and family. Come on in and open the door. Every creed, every age, every color, every sister and mother and brother, everybody's got a seat at the table.
Our Hataw Sayaw 2024 second placer is Hold Respect Family!
Everybody's welcome here. Love is where we gather near. Everybody's welcome here. Come on, come on. We're one big family. Oh, we're one big family.
Our Hataw Sayaw 2024 first placer is
Grab a plate.
no other than from La Union, OBSX Trinidad!
Kick your shoes off, grab a chair. It don't matter what you wear. We're together, that's when it starts. Every creed, every age, every color, every sister and mother and brother.
Our Hataw Sayaw 2024 grand winner is You Pro
Everybody's welcome here. Love is where we gather near. Everybody's welcome here. Come on, come on. We're one big family. Oh, one big family.
Kaya't muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong tulong. Tiyak na magpapatuloy tayo sa landas ng matagumpay at magiging mas maliwanag ang kinabukasan para sa ating kabataan. Mabuhay ang kabataan ng FD Castro. Mabuhay ang sangguniang kabataan ng FD Castro.
Come on, come on. Everybody's welcome here. Love is where we gather near. Everybody's welcome here. Come on, come on. We're one big family. Oh, we're one big family.
Dahil kabataan FDC, una ka. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay kabataang FD Castro, successful ang ating kauna-unahang first SKFDC Open Dance Contest, a dance contest for a cause. At ngayong araw, dadalhin natin ang ating mga nalikom na pondo sa mga AL student kasama ang mga pamaskong handog. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga po. Ayan, nandito po tayo sa classroom ng AL student natin dito po sa Barangay F. De Castro at nandito po ang ating konsehal ng Barangay Committee on Education at under niya po ang Alternative Learning System at nandito din po ang isa sa mga estudyante ng ating AL student dito sa ating barangay. At ngayon po ay atin pong iti-turn over ang ating nalikom na pondo na nagkakalaga ng 5,000 pesos kasama po ang mga pamaskong handog para po sa ating mga AL students. So on behalf po ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng F. De Castro, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa ating first ever Open Dance Contest. So atin na pong iti-turn over ang ating pamaskong handog at ang pondong nalikom natin.